What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am Imani Murray, and this is my YouTube channel where I share social media tips to help brands and businesses improve their social media presence. And today we're going to be discussing Instagram/Facebook Shop. They're pretty much interchangeable. It's just you're using two different platforms, but I'm really going to be focusing more on Instagram Shop today, and I'll probably do a future video on Facebook Shop. But today we're going to be talking Instagram Shop. So, what is Instagram Shop? Instagram Shop is the latest e-commerce feature introduced by Facebook that allows users to shop your pictures, your videos, all within the app. And it allows brands and businesses to create a digital storefront, allowing their users to then shop. So there already is the Instagram shopping capability that has been introduced a while ago, but Instagram Shop is now an actual shop on your profile. Instagram shopping was allowing users to simply click on a shoppable tag or a shoppable post, and it'll direct them straight to the brand's website. With Instagram Shop, you have two different choices. You can actually check out within the app, or you can send your users to your website. I'm going to do a couple videos on Instagram checkout so that we can really get an understanding of what is checkout, and because I'll be talking about that multiple times in this video today, but I wanted to do this video first so you knew what I was talking about when I did my Instagram checkout videos. If that makes sense, hopefully it does. So all of your shoppable posts, your shoppable tagged products are featured in your shop. Any product that you have tagged, any post that you have tagged with a product is a shoppable post, and that includes in your feed and in your story. So if you haven't already integrated your e-commerce website with Instagram and Facebook, you should probably go ahead and do so, especially because the holidays are coming up. People are not going into stores, especially with everything that's happening with the pandemic. Most people are shopping online, so this is making it more convenient for users to stay within the app and just shop your products. So if you haven't already integrated the two, make sure you go ahead and do that, because I'm sure you'll see an increase in traffic and sales. So if you don't know the difference between a regular post and a shoppable post, when you click on it, it looks like you're tagging somebody, but you're just tagging the product. And at the bottom left corner of the image or video or whatever, it'll have the shop icon pop up, and then you click on it and it says view products, and then you're able to interact with the products that are tagged. So it'll state the actual name of the product with the price. When you click on that product, users can check out the actual product detail page, which features photos, videos, description, pricing. They're able to actually pick the color they want. They can actually pick the size they want. If they want to save it, if they want to share it to a friend through Instagram DM. If you have Instagram checkout set up, they can actually purchase it right then and there. If you choose not to go with Instagram checkout, it'll prompt them to actually purchase the product through your website. So it'll direct them to your actual website, which we'll get into a little later. Brands could actually make their posts and their stories shoppable. So like I said, when you upload an in-feed post, instead of tagging the people, it'll ask you to tag your product. And when you connect your actual e-commerce website, or you connect your catalog to Facebook and Instagram, all of those products that you've connected will be eligible to be tagged. So when you're going to post an in-feed post, it'll allow you to tag your product, whether it's a picture or a video. You can also do it on your story. Now for your story, you can click on the stickers. You know, my favorite thing about stories are the stickers. There's a product sticker where you tap on it and it'll ask you to select whatever product you want to mention in your story. Boom, 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 you're good to go. So you're able to tag it in both places, your feed and in your story. Now, so let's talk about how to actually access Instagram Shop. So there's two main ways to do that. You can either go to the Explore page and then click the Shop tab at the top, or if you are blessed enough to have the most updated version of Instagram, where the Shop button is now replacing the notifications button, which is the heart at the bottom of your app. If you have the new update, then you'll be able to shop it right from that button. Or if there's a specific brand that you're actually interested in looking at their products, you can go to their Instagram profile, and if they have their shop connected, you can click on View Shop, which is right above the follow button, right in between the follow and bio section. Two convenient ways for your users to actually shop your products. So now that we've figured out how to actually get to your shops, let's talk about the different elements within Instagram Shop. So the first thing you see when users go to your actual Instagram shop is the search button at the top. So this allows users to actually search your shop. Very similar to your e-commerce website if you have a search bar on your website. The under that is there's three different options that can be populated here. You have either the collections section, you have a featured item section, or you just have all your products listed. Now, collections and the featured item are very similar to the banners on your e-commerce website if you have banners on your website. You can have multiple collections. You can have one collection, three collections, five collections. And when I say collections, those collections are a set of products that the brand has decided to group together in one theme, or a set of curated products in one theme. So if you released Spring Summer 2020 collection, you can have a collection in Instagram for that. Or if you want to just highlight all your orange products, you can do so in an orange collection. If you don't want to do a collection and you just want to feature a specific item, you can do that as well. With both the feature item and collections, there's going to be a space for you to be able to include a picture and name it, as well as a button to take you to that actual either collection or the actual item. Now, if you choose to do neither of these and just have your products listed, that's completely fine as well. Instagram will just make it a regular shop without the collection and feature. So now let's talk about the actual products within Instagram Shop. So after you have either your collection or your feature items set up, users can then scroll down to see your actual products. They are able to go ahead and click on it if they want to save it, if they want to send it to their friends, like I said before. They want to learn more about the products, they can do so here. And like I said, you can check out the different sizing, the colors, all of that good stuff. It also provides similar products to that actual product that they're shopping. If they just scroll down, you'll see more products to shop. So when a user actually saves a post from yours that is shoppable, that features a shoppable tag, it'll populate in their wish list, which is located where all of their saved posts are. So when you go to your saved post, you'll have all saved posts, and then next to it, it'll say your wish list. For me, I have multiple categories within my saved posts, so it's very convenient that they separate the actual products that I'm possibly going to purchase in its own category. So I need to categorize everything. Everything needs to be organized, so it's very convenient that they did that. And of course, if you want, you can set up your shoppable posts to be ads. So if you want to push your certain product to a certain target market, you can do so. Of course, you can have the Instagram checkout option set up with this post, or if you just want it to go back to your website and then purchase it through there, they can do so as well. And like I said, I will get into Instagram checkouts, the benefits of it, how to increase your sales and traffic in my next 2 videos, so stay tuned for that if you're interested in learning about Instagram checkout, because they're intertwined with each other, honestly. So you don't have to use Instagram checkout, but it's very important that you use Instagram Shop because it's making it convenient for users, especially because this day and age, everybody wants everything to be easy as 1, 2, 3. They don't want to do the extra work. They just want it to be done for them. So being able to set up and connect your Instagram shop and your Facebook shop makes things easier for users. If they have to go to your website, that may add an extra step versus them just checking out right in the app. But it's up to you. Like I said, I'll get into that in my next couple videos about Instagram checkout. But another thing to mention, Instagram has or is implementing 2 new features that users will start to see, brands will start to see introduced on their platform, and it's live shopping and allowing creators to make their posts shoppable posts. So live shopping, which I'll talk about in my next What's New with Instagram video, but live shopping basically allows brands to feature a certain product while they're on live, and it lets users basically purchase the product right then and there while they're watching the live. So if there's a certain exclusive product you want to drop while you're on live, you can do so for those people that are tuned in. And then the second thing is allowing creators to actually make their posts shoppable posts. I think this is huge for brands and creators. One, creators can increase their fee if they are going to implement this. They can have a commission fee, an affiliate fee, however they want to word it, however they want to make it work for them. And then for brands, it makes it easier for them. It may affect them money-wise, but it helps them a lot. For example, Scotty Beam. Scotty Beam is always featured in a Nike campaign. So say she does a new Nike campaign. Instead of her just tagging at Nike or at Nike Women, she can actually tag the actual product. Because you know how people love commenting, oh, where's this jacket from? What is this jacket? Where'd you get it? Blah, blah, blah. You can skip that step, actually tag the jacket, the shorts, the sneakers, and then it'll go back to the product page, allowing for users to actually purchase it. So those two things are huge, and I can't wait to see it be implemented. Like I said, if you haven't already connected your Instagram shop, you need to do so ASAP. It's completely free to just set up the shop. The Instagram checkout aspect of it gets a little tricky. There are some fees and stuff, but you know, catch that in the next video. But it's super easy to set up your shop. You need to make sure though that you are eligible and that you are approved. In order to be eligible, the most basic thing is you have to have a business or creator account. If you don't have either of those, then then don't even try and set it up. You need to convert your page to a business or creator account. And then there are a few other steps that you need to take in order to be eligible and approved. Just another tidbit, Instagram will notify users whether you are a brand that is utilizing Instagram checkout or not. Most people, I don't know if they even notice this, but if you're using Instagram checkout, there is a gradient arrow next to the product name. So if you click on the product shopping tab, you'll see it. If you go to the actual shop, you'll see it. For example, because Nike was one of the first brands that was able to use this feature, all of their products on their page have, it's the color of Instagram's logo. So that color in a gradient form, in the shape of an arrow, is what is next to the product name that tells users whether or not you can check out through Instagram checkout or not. Does that make sense? I hope it does. So yeah, and if you're actually interested in learning how to actually set up your shop, then comment down below, let me know, because I can make that a whole nother video. But I just wanted to give you guys a little background, a little backstory of what Instagram Shop was, so that when we start talking about Instagram checkout, you'll know what I am talking about. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that like button, comment below, let me know what your thoughts are on Instagram Shop. Are you going to be implementing this? Are you going to be using it? And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I will see you next week where we're talking Instagram checkout. Thank you for watching. Oh, wait, pause, I lied. And make sure you follow me on all social media platforms at Imani Murray. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, all of the above. See you in my next video.